Hello everybody, here we are again with another project. This time we're building a outdoor brick pizza oven. It's really an oven for everything, not just pizzas. So this is the start of the project. Today is really day one. We got all the materials. So now this is going to be our foam. We'll be cutting that first. Alright, so enjoy. Here we are again. What we're doing now is we're actually cutting out the foam pieces. That's got to go into the center of these forms that we made. And what that's doing is we got to glue them down next, wait 48 hours. Then we're going to pour concrete over it. Once we pour concrete over it, then we're going to flip it over, disassemble the form, and this actually going to have a recess of where all the form was. And that's where we're going to put our, what's it called, Perigo? The little beads.
Paralites.
Paralites. We're gonna put the paralites and I think rocks or something like that. For drainage. So that's what we're doing now. And we're pulling out the peeling of the backing. And they say don't leave any of that on because that might disrupt your concrete or your liquid nail. So that's it. And what we did, we got the forms made. We got the styrofoam in there. They say let it sit for 48 hours, think like cinder blocks or hollow blocks, whatever you want to call it. So now we're going to wait and come back 48 hours and that'll be done. This is it for today. Got the hole dug 8 inches deep, 8 inches, 9 inches in some areas. I'll level that up tomorrow. This is still drying. It'll be 48 hours like I said. But that's it for now. Like I said, we're going to call it a day. We'll start back up probably this weekend. Bye for now. Tried to pour it in with a spoon, and you ripped the bag out of my hand. Around the corner. I'm going to go through on the other side. Well, we took the forms off, filled in all the dirt. So you dig out all the dirt, make concrete, put the dirt back in. So we just got through doing that. Now we're going to put the bricks down. This thing is solid. It It is really big. Lay down, Leia, so I can show again. Look at this now, look. That's how big this thing is. Wow. Yep. Thank you. So
you don't want to cook me, right?
no, I don't want to cook you. I just need a 12-inch pizza. So now we're gonna continue on putting bricks up. Here we go. We're level 1. We got 3 more levels to go. You got a firewood oven. This is what you get.
Bye.
Now if we was putting it on something, we wouldn't mix it that way. It would be thicker. Okay guys, level 2 is done. We just filled this hollow blocks with concrete. You fill them with concrete, but you put them together with mortar. So we just filled it. Level 2 is filled up. Leia's taking a break on the bricks.
Break on the bricks.
And I've been lifting 60-pound bags all day and bricks all day. Still got a long ways to go. Okay, we took the frame away from our support. This goes on top of our base. That's a 2-inch deep area. And they're gonna put vermiculite and Portland cement in there. What that does, that insulates the bottom of the oven. We gotta take them over here. And one goes in the middle, and one goes to the left, and one goes to the right. And we mortar those in. Then we gotta wait another 4 days. The final stage, we had to mix concrete with vermiculite. It's like little bitty white beads. And what that does is and this is a heated slab, insulated slab. So what it does when we put all the bricks and all this stuff together, this is insulated, it's hot, and it lets the heat stay up inside the oven, and the oven gonna be insulated. So we had to do that. That was the last step for the base. Then you put plastic on it, put bricks on the plastic, and you wait 4 to 5 days, and we can start the oven. The base is done. So
Yeah.
Finish. That's
We did it again.
Another thing done by Team Mahal. Team Mahal knocked it out.
Looks good. Here comes the beauty. Woo. So this is it. This is where the sand and the fire brick will sit. This is the cooking area.
Today is the mixing of the high temp mortar. I'm going to work. Leia's going to do that. She's got to mix this sand, silver sand, with the Portland cement, with the lime and some red clay.
Hello, hello. I just finished the brick all around. This is the level of the cooking area now. So this is my height. I don't say 100%, but 99% level.
Here we go, guys.
This is our creation today.
Our creation today. Get all our fire bricks in.
This is the key part.
This is the key part. It should be smooth, and it's the level. Smooth, because that's where our pizza come in at.
And this is the last
And this
part.
is the last piece.
Woo!
The Leia's putting in.
Dun, dun, dun,
Da 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 da.
until it is level.
This piece is insulated. This piece is gonna have logs on it. When it get hot, it gets hot. The bottom is gonna be hot in the whole oven. So that's it, guys. That was the last piece. Very good, Leia. You did a great job.
Oh, you did good. You did cut everything.
I did a lot of the, I did a lot of the cutting. And my area is a mess. I'll show you my area. It's a big, gigantic mess. Look at all of this clay and junk. But you want a pizza oven, that's what you gotta do. That's our project today. Tomorrow, we'll be building our form for the dome, and we'll start putting bricks on the dome, and you're gonna be able to see how it's gonna look. This is where we make our money. See you guys. Bye.
Okay, today we're gonna cut the form for our dome.
So what we're doing is we bent this around. Now we're putting screws in it. This is all the wood we got. Next step, you gotta soak your bricks for 15 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
Or, see the bubbles coming out till all the bubbles stop.
Bubbles.
So these bricks absorb water. So if you don't soak these bricks, when you put your mortar on them, it's gonna absorb all the water out your mortar. Then your mortar's gonna fall apart because it has nothing to hold the bricks.
Yeah, so that's it for now.
Okay, here we are. This is the first few bricks. First start of our building our oven.
Yeah.
Layers leveling everything up. Sure we got the gap. Then we're gonna go to the other side. Then we're gonna go up 5 rows. Then we're gonna keep going back and forth till we get to the top. All right, that's it for now. As you can see, it's nighttime. We're still working. We're not gonna stop till we get this thing almost completely covered. Still working at it, but we're slowly getting it done. Well, we're finishing up for tonight. As far as we got, we saved this part because we're gonna do the chimney. Here we are. We had you didn't get to see that part, but it was a pain in the you know what. It was too much of a mess to show that. And the angles was off, so we got it straight. But now that's it. It's a lot of work. But if you want to do this stuff,
You want a pizza?
you want a $12 pizza, that's what it takes. But anyway, hi. Here we are making progress.
Yeah.
We put the chimney on inside the stovepipe. We put the 2,000-degree ceiling around it.
2,000 degrees?
Yeah, it'll go up to 2,000 degrees.
Oh my.
And then we're going to put 2 more layers of bricks over top of that. And it's sitting inside of a stovepipe, so we'll see. We got the chimney done. Let this cure for 4 or 5 days, and we'll come back and check it out. Cool. That's it for now. Bye.
Today I'm gonna do, this is the exciting part now. So I'm gonna start putting these bricks or natural stones that we bought from our local shop. And they are really looking good, like they have silver or gold on it. And this will be our facade or the exterior for the base, and also here, and also at the top, the chimney, and then the arch. The dome part will be a different tile. It will be a stunning tile as well, so it will be different over here. So that's for today, so let's get started. More consistency. Okay. First piece ever.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Here we are.
Okay. What's going on there?
Beating it out.
Ooh. Oh my god. Guapo. Here it is. That's our dome. Oops. Oops, Daisy. Woohoo! What's
We
the
did good.
assessment? Yeah.
Here we go. Everything's out. It's on the ground. This is our wood held up. Look at that. I had to cut it out. That was my invention. It worked. Okay, we're all done for today. We got the back installed. The bricks are, here they go. You gotta wait 6 days and let them dry. Here's the inside of the oven. There's our chimney hole we had to make for the chimney. And like I said, it turned out pretty good. So that's it for now. Okay, here we are again, Team Mahau. Leia's finishing up the side. She got the front done. Now she's finishing up the side. She's been on the side all day getting that done, but you could tell it turned out. She's doing really good. Look at that. It really looks great. So
Again, good morning. And today I'm gonna continue at the back.
if you look, we have the chicken wire, but you put your insulation on. We put 2 layers of insulation. And here's our chicken wire. Like I said, chicken wire holds the insulation, and it also, you got to save a little space for so the stucco could go in. So I pull it up a little bit like this. Now you see, like I said, the front don't matter. We got the insulation on, got the chicken wire holding it. Now I'm ready to start stuccoing, and then we'll let it stucco cure for 24 hours. Come back, do another layer, let it cure for 4 days. So that's it. We got a lot done today. You see, we took the screen off. You need to have 1 inch back, so when we do our second coat, you have some room for the stucco to go in. So we got all that done today. Everything's still ready to go. So tomorrow we'll be doing the second layer.
We just finished yesterday the stucco. This is the stucco, the final stucco, the second coat. And look at that. And it's all coming together now. I'm so excited. We are excited. So today I'm gonna do is this, the dome. Ooh, this is our centerpiece. Update. Look at that. I just finished the arch and also the chimney. This is my plan for today, and look at that.
Hello everybody, again, it's Team Mahau. Getting back started again. We're working on the final stages of the grill where we put on the actual nice tile. This the tile is going to set it off. The other one you saw earlier was the rocks. And the rocks did good, natural stone. Now we're actually going to put this fancy tile on the dome, what we call the dome. It's going to be really nice. So Leia will be doing that, and I'll be filming her doing that once she get everything set up. So just stand by till we're ready. Looks so nice.
That's our first pizza. Wow.
Hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?